Hello everybody, this is Nora with NEQ57, and on this next video I am going to review and swatch for you AIMEILI's. This is a set of 6 builder gels. So what are builder gels? Builder gels are a thick consistency or a thick viscosity type of gel, most of the time either clear or in a very neutral translucent color, for you to either do overlays on your natural nails or extend your natural nails using paper forms. So here they are. This is a kit of 6, like I said. Let me go ahead and remove them from here. Okay, so here are the 6 bottles out of the package, and they're identified by these labels here with the number 154 through 159. And to show you what I mean, so when you're going to notice, if you use gel polishes before, these builder gels are of thick viscosity, okay? And that is so that you can, like I said, either create an overlay on your natural nails or extend your nails. These are in different variations of pinks. There's they are translucent. This is very natural looking. How pretty is that pink right there? I will go ahead and swatch these for you, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay guys, so here's a closer look at the colors, and you can tell from the color wheel here, the number not only indicates the different colors or identifies the colors, but also the clarity. As you can see, they start going from the least translucent to the most translucent, meaning more see-through. There's not a white here or a total clear one. Even this one is not totally clear. It tends to have, I don't know, I'm gonna say more like a yellow undertone, but these are very nice natural neutral colors. They will go nice depending on your skin tone. Okay, so here these are more yellow base, and these are more pink base. You can see the difference between these 3 and these 3. Now I want to point out, notice how it is darker on the sides than the center. That's because it is a self-leveling builder gel, and as I left them on the lamp, you know, left this wheel like that sitting flat, it was starting to go towards the sides. And that's what you notice here when you're building or structuring your nails with builder gels. Remember, you want to like have the client or turn your hands upside down so you can build a nice apex. Again, this video is we're concentrating on just swatching and reviewing these builders. It's not about the application. I'm going to go ahead and remove these from the tips to demonstrate something for you. Okay, so I removed the first one here. What I want to demonstrate for you is how the flexibility, okay, so these builder gels, they are strong enough to build a nail or structure a nail, an extension, or have an overlay. This is the strength that you can expect to be added to your natural nail. Okay, it is strong, like I tell my clients, strong but flexible. Okay, it's not rigid, unlike hard gel. That's what you would expect. Hard gels and polygels and acrylics are pretty rigid, acrylic being the most rigid, but even these builder gels have some flexibility to them, which is good. So when you have it on your nails, you want to have you want your nail, if you bump your nail, you want it to bounce back and not be rigid and crack. Okay, that is all I have for you guys about these builder gels. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I will also have a link to one other video that I have using AIMEILI's builder base, so you can check out and see how the application is for a proper application or extending the nail. It is a very popular video. I will have it linked down below so you guys can check it out and find out how to do an extension using builder gels. I would like to thank AIMEILI for sending me these beautiful products to play with and review. If you guys enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.